And moving on now, 10th of August is celebrated as the World Biofuel Day. On this occasion, the CSIR IIP Dehradun has unveiled a plan to generate biodiesel through a unique process. In line with the government's call to convert waste to wealth, the institute has worked to convert the used cooking oil into biofuel. Here's a report.
10th August is celebrated as World Biofuel Day. On this occasion, Indian Institute of Petroleum at Dehradun has unveiled plans to generate biodiesel at room temperature through its patented process. The Biodiesel in Every Village initiative converts cooking oil into biofuel. Reusing cooking oil generates toxins which can lead to severe health risks, including cancer. This waste to wealth project is extremely simple and energy efficient, while no heating is required.
जब से 10 अगस्त को वर्ल्ड बायोफ्यूल डे तय हुआ, तब से हमारी संस्थान काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण योगदान करती आई है। इसमें जैसे हम लोगों ने जैव ईंधन से विमान उड़ाए हैं, बायोडीज़ल गांव-गांव में ले जाने की परिकल्पना कर रहे हैं। आप सबको हम प्रोत्साहित करेंगे कि आप कृपया सामान को कचरे में न फेंकें, जैव ईंधन की ओर उसका योगदान करें।
The scheme would include two variants of the unit, one which can be truck-mounted and has the capacity of 50 litres and one 5-litre unit which can even mount on a bicycle. This would ensure that it reaches the farthest corners of the nation. The ease of use would ensure that a farmer can readily use it for gensets or for blending in diesel.
We have also developed a small 5-litre unit which can be used in rural areas. As you can see, after 4 to 5 hours of reaction, two layers get separated. Upper layer is the biodiesel layer and lower layer is glycerol layer. The upper layer can be used directly into the gensets and the other agricultural machineries with up to 20% blending into the diesel. And this glycerol layer can be used in pharmaceutical industry and soap making industry. This is a hand-driven unit which can be mixed like this, but it can also be mounted on a bicycle.
India generates about 22 million tons of used cooking oil every year. Only about 1.2 million tons of this is converted to biofuel. This grassroots approach to reach the bottom of the pyramid can increase our energy security and help us fight climate change. IIP Dehradun has plans to implement this process in Raipur, Bundelkhand, NCR and Uttarakhand.
अभी हमारे पास लगभग 20 से 22 मिलियन टन यूज्ड कुकिंग ऑयल की खपत होती है इंडिया में, और उसमें से हम खाली 2 से 3 मिलियन टन यूसीओ भी कलेक्ट कर पाएँ और उसे बायोडीजल में कन्वर्ट कर पाएँ. वी कैन सेव लॉट ऑफ. बाय मार्च 2021 वी आर गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल दिस टाइप ऑफ यूनिट अराउंड 4 to 5 places, which includes CBD Raipur in Chhattisgarh region, Bundelkhand region in UP, and in Dehradun region through our local aggregator, and one for NCR region.
With inputs from Dehradun Bureau, DD India.